we have covered quite a lot on port scanning, and we have covered how a ping and three-way handshake can be used to scan ports. In order to avoid being identified, we use stealth scanning of ports. We understood about the ports, how they are numbered, statuses they may have, and how you deduce information from them.
That's right, Laura. And, along with those, we've also seen how the Nmap tool can really be a very handy tool for the network administrator. We've also introduced many other tools that can be used in port scanning, and we also looked at OS fingerprinting. And we've finally seen how we may set up countermeasures to prevent port scans, right? We don't want outsiders to know the vulnerabilities we have and then potentially give them a way to attack our computer.
Yes, that's right. And we hope you have enjoyed watching this video and the demos within. Please feel free to contact us for any help to augment your skills any further.
Thanks for joining us.